Now counsel me, my lords, you who have wisdom and sense. A lady gave me her love, whom I have loved long since. But now I know for truth, she has another private friend. Never of any companion was a companionship so grievous to me. Of one thing I am in error, and I stay in thought so deep. Would I lengthen out my sorrow if I let this grievance sleep? And if I tell her my thought thus, I see my damage doubled up. Whatever I do or leave undone, nothing I do can serve my own. And if I love her dishonorably, scorn will come from everyone, and most will hold me for cold and a patient one. And if I lose a friendship so, I hold myself disinherited of love, and may God never give me to make more verses or songs again. Since I am turned to folly's glow, I will be mad if I don't take the lesser of these two bad things, which is better to my mind's make, that I have half of her than lose the whole through folly's art. For never to a treacherous lover did I see love serve his part. Since my lady wants another lover, I do not forbid him to her. I let it be more out of fear than out of any other preference I prefer. And if any man ever ought to have thanks for any service done, then I deserve a guerdon who forgives so great a wrong everyone. Her beautiful treacherous eyes, which looked at me so gently, if they look elsewhere the same way, they do great wrong, certainly. But in this much they have honored me, that if there were 1,000 gathered near, they look more to where I stand than to all those round about I hear. With the water that from my eyes weeps, I write greetings more than 100, that I send to the most noble one and to the most graceful. I've wandered many times, I have remembered what she did at our parting then, that I saw her cover her face, for she could not say yes or no to me. Lady, love another in place, hide me in secret, if you will, so that I have all the profit of it, and hear the beautiful words and the thrill. Garcia, now sing my song for me, and carry it there where it should be, to my messenger who was there, that I may ask the counsel he would share.